Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean verbs. So, let's start. First one is the Korean translation of the verb to lie down, and that is 눕다, 눕다. Okay? Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to search or to find or to look for. Okay, the translation is 찾다, 찾다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the verb to fight, and that is 싸우다, 싸우다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to film, and that is 촬영하다, 촬영하다. Now comes the Korean translation of the verb to have or to exist or to be at a location or place. Okay, the translation is 있다, 있다. You can notice that this verb 있다, it has different meanings, right? But you will be able to differentiate between these meanings with the help of the context. Okay, how this verb is being used in a sentence. You will be able to understand the meaning accordingly, right? Next is the Korean translation of the verb to not have or to not exist or to be not at a location or place. Okay, this is the opposite of itta, right? And the verb is 없다, 없다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the verb to run, and that is 달리다, 달리다. Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to be surprised or to be shocked, and that is 놀라다, 놀라다. Now is the Korean translation of the verb to trust or to believe, and that is 믿다, 믿다. And the last one is the Korean translation of the verb to blow, and that is 불다, 불다. So today we learned 10 very important Korean verbs. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.